The history of the X3 model began in 2003 when the first generation SUV with the factory index E83 was introduced. It marked the second crossover in the brand's lineup following the X5. Presently, the assembly line hosts the third generation of the car, identified by the index G01. This generation was initially unveiled in the summer of 2017 and received a restyling 4 years later. As we approach the planned generation shift, camouflaged vehicles are gradually revealing more details about the new body. Capitalizing on this opportunity, our colleagues at Kolesa have created several renderings offering their predictions for the future appearance of the BMW X3. The overall style of the upcoming model will draw inspiration from the X1, which made its debut last summer. It will incorporate key door handles and adopt a simpler sidewall design reminiscent of the X1. At the front, the X3 will exhibit a more angular design compared to the current version, featuring distinctive headlights with L-shaped LED running lights reminiscent of the restyled previous generation 5 series. The rear of the new crossover will introduce a notable change with the license plate niche now positioned on the bumper, a departure from the previous convention seen only in the brand's coupe-shaped crossovers. Similar to other new BMW models following the classic layout, the next generation X3 will be constructed on the cluster architecture platform. It is anticipated that the crossover will offer a wide range of gasoline and diesel engines, with the most potent variant transitioning from the M40i to the M50i designation. While a full-fledged M version will continue to be available, there are no plans for an all-electric iX3 variant. Instead, a new platform-based electric crossover is slated for release in 2025. The official premiere of the new BMW X3 G45 is scheduled for the upcoming year.